nobody talks about, or it's not common to
Right.
talk about leaking and peeing and all that not so fun conversations. There's a lot of reels making fun of it, like, you know, like moms walking and before they sneeze, they cross their legs and they sneeze and they're like, thank you, baby. But that's the most of it.
Yep, so true.
But what do we do once we're in that? Because that can feel fun in a reel,
Right,
but
right.
in an everyday life, not so much.
Not so much. Yeah, it is not fun. And you're correct. It is becoming more popular to speak about it. And we are starting to recognize that peeing your pants during pregnancy or after is super common. We say it's not normal because your body is meant to serve you. So you should not have pain. You should have dry pants. You should have enjoyable sex. And anything that stands in your way of those things should be corrected. And now what I love about what we do is it is conservative treatment. So we are not medication, injections, or surgery. We are strengthening and stretching, and we are intelligent bone mobilization and alignment and posture and all things that not only can correct your problem, but restore your body to its maximum state.
And I don't know about any of the listeners, but I remember the first time I heard physical therapy can help you stop leakage. I'm like, bullshit.
Did you really?
Yeah, I was like,
Oh, that's
how
funny.
can that help? Like,
Yeah.
what the hell?
Yeah.
So, Doc, enlighten us, because I could see
right.
people going like, I don't know about that. So
Yeah.
how can physical therapy help women who are suffering from that discomfort?
Yeah, absolutely. And I'll even clarify too, we have helped women who tinkle a little bit when they sneeze, and we've helped women who lose their entire bladder just from standing up.
Wow.
And so the reason that we can help is because the cause of the incontinence, which means leaking, right? And that can be gas, bowel, or urine beyond your control. For this conversation, we can stick to the conversation about urine leaking. The cause of it is physical. So if there is any change to the pelvic floor muscles, now remember, muscles have characteristics like strength, length, position, that can all affect how well they work. So if it has anything to do with the pelvic floor muscles, we can help. If it has to do with the pressure inside the abdomen being greater than what's happening in the pelvic floor, we can help. If it has to do with how your rib cage is lined over your pelvis, or how strong or tight your abdominal wall is, or even if your throat, the way you manage to hold your breath, whether you're exercising, having a bowel movement, singing, anything like that, your throat and your pelvic floor are intimately connected.
What?
Again, muscle groups, pressure management, that's our jam. We help with all of that.
Okay, say more. What? What do you mean they're connected?
Yes. Okay. So if we can bring it to the basics with the pelvic floor, you know, the first layer broke a couple years ago. This is the first layer. It pops on and off for demonstration. And I kept it because my first layer broke too, and I still stick with her. So this is your pelvic floor muscles if you take the skin off. Okay. And so they attach from our sit bones. So if you're sitting right now, you can put your hands under your bottom and move your feet in and out. You should feel your sit bones. Okay. They're at the base of your pelvis. So your pelvic floor muscles attach to your sit bones and to your tailbone. Okay. So this tendon should be connected to the tailbone here. So those muscles go through tremendous amounts of changes during a pregnancy and especially with a vaginal delivery. And I point out during a pregnancy because sometimes women will call us with pelvic floor issues, incontinence, pain with intercourse, and they'll say, but I had a C-section, so I don't know if you can help me because it has nothing to do with delivering. And we're like, wait, no, but you carried a baby for 9 months. Like your pelvic floor went through a lot of changes. Your pelvic bones went through a lot of changes, right? They got thicker, they got wider, they moved position. Like we can help with that.